Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mark PDF text with Dochub and turn it into Google Classroom. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to dochub.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and sign into your account if you haven't already. This step is essential to access all of Dochub's editing features and ensure your work is saved properly. After successfully logging in, you'll land on Dochub's main dashboard screen. This is where you'll manage all your documents and start new projects. To begin marking your PDF and preparing it for Google Classroom, look to your left-hand menu and click on the New Document button. This will launch the upload process and allow you to select the file you want to work with. When you click New Document, you'll be prompted to add the file you wish to complete. Click on Select File and a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. From here, simply navigate through your folders to locate your worksheet or PDF document. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, then click Open to proceed. This uploads your document into Dochub's system and prepares it for editing. Now, you'll need to wait a moment while the upload process finishes. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this might take just a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, you'll see a button labeled Create Document located at the bottom part of this window. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you directly to the document editor page, where all the magic happens. You're now on the document editor page, and this is where you can mark up your PDF with all the tools Dochub provides. Look at the left side of your screen and you'll see a variety of editing tools you can use to annotate, highlight, or add text to your document. Feel free to explore these options and make any changes or marks you need on your PDF. These tools make it easy to complete assignments, add notes, or prepare documents for submission. Once you've finished marking up your PDF and you're ready to turn it into Google Classroom, navigate to the top right part of your screen. You'll notice a hamburger icon, which is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon and a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on the Download/Export option. This will open a new window titled Download or Export, showing you various ways to share or save your document. In the Download or Export window, look through the list of options available. You'll see an option labeled Classroom. Click on it, and then you'll be presented with a button that says Create Share Link. Go ahead and click on Create Share Link. This generates a direct link to your edited PDF, and the link will now be copied to your clipboard and ready for sharing. You can now paste this link directly into your Google Classroom assignment submission, making it quick and easy to turn in your work. And that's it. You've successfully marked your PDF text with Dochub and created a shareable link to turn it into Google Classroom. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.